Good morning, students. Dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine in your houses. Dear students, once again welcome you all for the SST class. Dear students, in the previous class we have learned about the lesson Earth our home. Is it? We have learned about the explanation of lesson and also we have solved the evaluate part. Is it, dear student? So here first lesson is completed. Today I am going to start the new lesson, that is looking at the earth. Okay, dear student, in this SST subject means whole this all complete textbook, we will give more detailed learning, means we are getting more knowledge about the earth. So in the previous class we have learned about our earth. Is it? Means our earth is surrounded by what things, or how much portion of the earth is covered by water. These all things we have learned in that lesson. But today we are learning about the looking at the earth. Dear student, here one warm-up activity is given. Page number 247. See, the lesson is looking at the earth. Here in the warm-up, what they have told, this practical work you also can see in the home with the fruit orange. Okay, so take an orange, peel it off and look at it carefully. Yes, dear student, you take an orange fruit and peel it off and don't throw away the skin. You can use it for further purposes. Dear student, now you answer the following questions. What is the shape of orange? Dear student, can you tell me what is the shape of orange when you will see the fruit orange? What do you feel, or what shape it is having? Dear students, the shape of the earth, it is spherical in shape. Okay, second question what they have asked, how does it look at the top and the bottom? Yes, you think this is an orange fruit? Yes, dear student, orange fruit is like this, is it? How it looks when you peel it off? It looks at a spherical shape. And dear student, second question what they have asked in the textbook, how does it look at the top and the bottom? This is the top and this is the bottom. How it looks? It looks like slightly flat on the top and bottom. Is it? You are looking like slightly it is flat. Not a perfect, but slightly flat at the top and the flat at the bottom. Third question, how does it look in the middle? Dear student, in the middle it has a bulb. Okay, it has a bulb in the middle. Okay, dear student, so our earth resembles to the fruit orange. Understand? So dear student, in this lesson, first thing we are learning about shape of the earth. Means in this, how? Means what is the shape of the earth? Dear student, our planet earth is round like an orange. Just now I have drawn, this is the fruit orange. So our earth is also like an orange, and however it is not a perfect round. Our earth is not a perfect round like a ball, is it? Our earth is not a perfect round, it is round like an orange and it is spherical in shape. It has a light flat, okay, or little flat at the top and at the bottom, and has a bulb in the middle. Yes, dear student, our earth is like this. Okay, so in olden days, people used to believe that earth was flat. Means in the olden days, many years back, thousands of years back, the people believed that the earth was flat, and they believed that they would fall off the edge, and if they travel too far, means they are believing what our earth is like a fact, and if we will travel for a far thing, they will feel like fall off. So fall off at the earth's edge. Okay, dear student. So to prove this all, means how is earth, or it is flat, or it is round. Here one of the Portuguese sailor, his name was Ferdinand Magellan. He means about 500 years ago, there was a Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan. He started on a long journey from Spain and kept sailing for days. Means one of the Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan, he started his journey, a long journey from Spain and kept sailing for days. Okay, and the voyage or the journey was very long and dangerous. The voyage or the journey of his sailing is a very long and dangerous, and after many years, his ship reached the same place from where he had started. Okay, and without falling off the edge. And his journey, means Magellan's journey, proved that the earth was not flat, the earth was round. After Magellan's journey, astronauts started going to the space and confirmed that earth is round. Okay, dear student, how we come to know that the earth is not flat and it is round? The voyage of or the journey of Ferdinand Magellan is proof that the earth was round. Okay, dear student. So now we will learn more about the earth. So we need some tools here. Means to study the earth, we need some tools. Dear student, here we can study the earth by using tools like globe and map. Okay, dear student, 1 minute I will show you the globe. Dear students, this is the globe, is it? This is a globe and also map. These are the tools used to study more about the earth. Okay, so how we are using that I will tell you here. Dear student, here tools to study the earth. Okay, so in that globe and maps were used to study the earth. So first one we will learn about the globe. What do you mean by globe? Yes, dear student, here globe, it is the earth is huge in size. Our earth is very big, huge in size, and we need a model of the earth to study it. We need because earth is very vast, very huge. So to study it, we need a model of that. So globe is a small round model of the earth. Okay, and a globe tells us how the oceans, continents and countries are placed on the earth's surface. Okay, dear student, so this is the globe and it is a model of earth. Okay, so what is the use of this globe? This globe shows the oceans, countries and continents are placed on the earth, means on the total earth, on the complete earth. So how many part of the earth has oceans, how much part is continents, okay, and countries, these all things are placed on the earth's surface. So this is the model of earth, is called globe. Understand, student? So you, dear student, in the means you also purchase one globe. This is in very less price also it is available in the market. So if you will purchase the globe, you can understand more about studying about the earth. Understand, student? So the earth is huge in size and we need a model of the earth to study it. So a globe is a small round model of the earth, and this globe tells us about how the oceans, countries, continents are placed on the earth's surface. Okay, dear student? But here we feel some disadvantages with the globe. This is very small size. Is it? Means whatever the model or the globe I am showing you, it is very small. It can available in the big size also. Okay, dear student? We are having some disadvantages with the globe. Whenever we are studying about the earth, when we will use the globe, some uses are there, but some disadvantages are there. So what are that? We will see here. Dear student, we can only see the half part of the earth at a time on the globe. Yes, dear student? Yes, just you see, I want to study about the India. Yes. Whenever I am studying about India, this part cannot be seen. Okay? If I want to see this another part of the earth, I have to rotate this globe, then I have to see this part, and this part is hidden. Okay? This is the main disadvantage of this. Means we cannot see entire earth at a time. We can see only front part and another part is away from us and it is not looking here. Dear student, this is the main disadvantage. Means if we want to see the another part, we have to rotate it and then we have to see the another part. So we cannot see the entire earth at a time. Okay. So this one is the first problem. Second, it is not possible to study the places on the globe in detail because of its small size. Yes, we can study the everything, but because of this small size, it may be this much size also there, but we cannot study detail about the places on the globe. Is it? Because of its a small size. It can show means water part, continents, oceans, everything it will show, but we cannot get the detailed information about the places. So this is the second problem. Third one, it is difficult to carry globe from one place to the another. Okay, dear student, here another one globe is there. Just I will show you that also. Yes, dear student, this is also the globe. This is a model of Earth. Dear student, this is very small size. So we cannot see the letters what written on that. So because of that, if we will take this size, we can see the writing here. Means whatever the letters of countries, names, everything we can see. But if this type of globe we are using, it is very difficult to carry from one place to the another. Is it? You are understanding my point, dear student? So this is the third problem. Means we cannot carry these things from one place to the another. So then, how to solve the problem to study the earth? Dear student, because of these problems, means whenever we are studying about the globes, to solve means we are facing some disadvantages. To solve these problems, maps were designed. Understand? Means we are having or we are facing some problems with the globe. So the maps were designed to study more detail about the earth. Okay, dear student. So these are the disadvantages of the globe. Dear student, in the page number 249, just you open this textbook and here one activity is given. Is it? Here one activity is given. Look at the globe and find the answers to the following questions. The question is there. So just you will take the globe in your hand and look at the countries on the opposite sides of India. Just you see, where is India? First you have to find out. Yes, dear student, India is this side. And you have to, what's the question? Look at the countries on the opposite side of India. This side India is means, opposite side is back side. So which are the countries on the opposite side of India? Just you have to find out and write the names. So I have find here Eastern land and Easterland and China. Okay dear student, these are the two countries that are opposite of the Easter Island. Okay. Easter Island and China, these are the opposite of the India. Okay, these are the two countries opposite of the India. After that, dear students, second question they have asked. It is daytime India now. What would be the time in a country that opposite to India on the globe? Yes, dear student, in the previous class, I have taught you about rotation and revolution. Dear student, just this is the earth and this is the sun. Just you think. Dear student, a part of earth faces to the sun. Only the part of whatever the half part of the earth is in, it receives the direct sunlight. Okay, and this part only the daytime. And opposite side of the earth, it does not receive the sunlight, so it has a night time. Understand student? So, in this way, if we will see on the globe, the India has daytime, and what about opposite side? Opposite side is the night time. Okay dear student, it would be night time in that country. That answer should be right here. It would be night time. Understanding now? Why it is like this? Because of the rotation. Okay, means a part of earth faces to the sun and that part only receives the sunlight and it has a daytime, and remaining part is away from the sun, it does not receive the sunlight, so it has a night time. Okay dear student? Third question, when it is night time in Delhi, it will be daytime in Mumbai. Is it right answer? Why? Because Delhi and Mumbai are on the same side of the globe. Is it? Mumbai and Delhi are on the same side of the globe. So it is daytime only. If it is night time, both sides means Mumbai and Delhi are having night time only. If it is daytime, both the cities are having daytime only. Understand student? So when it is night time in Delhi, it will be night only in the Mumbai, because it has both the cities are same side of the globe. Okay dear student, so I think today's class you are understanding very better. Once again you discuss this lesson with your parents, then you will understand clearly. Dear student, till here today's all we saw. In the next class again I will come with math. Thank you.